afternoon.
Hi, folks.
Good morning. Or evening, whenever you watch this.
I think it's, well, yeah.
Yeah.
For us, it's afternoon.
Yeah.
And this is what's going to pass for a video for us this week.
Yeah.
And we apologize, but if you take a look at our immediate surroundings, you might guess that we're on a boat.
We did it.
It's on our boat.
We're on a boat.
On our boat. Our brand new, well, it's not brand new to us, boat, which we're going to be a little coy about and not tell you what it is yet. We still have, 2 more videos maybe showing the process getting to this point. But we literally closed a week ago, a week and a day. Moved out of our house, donated stuff, gave stuff away, took a U-Haul from Stewart to Fort Lauderdale to the boat. Took only 3 days total to get moved on, and then we sailed from Fort Lauderdale up to Brunswick, Georgia, which is where we are right now.
Yeah, no, it's just been crazy. So we haven't gotten a new video out this week, obviously.
Yeah, it's just been nuts.
But we will, and I'm kind of thinking, depending on how much we have left of the boat search, that I might try and put out 2 a week until we get through it. We had some kind of crazy things that happened along the way, so we don't want to jump the gun and go straight to hey, here's our boat video. We need to kind of show you the whole process. Especially
that final week was one of the hardest things I've ever done. Moving on to the boat, it was painful. So we're very happy. We're super excited about the boat and everything we're planning to do, but man, that was hard. There's a reason not everybody does it. Hey, we did it though.
But anyway, it's done.
And on that note, we wanted to share. We have a bottle of champagne here. Is this the one from our broker?
Yeah. Is that
our broker's name, by the way, Foka de Jong of Denison Yacht Sales. Awesome dude. Originally from the Netherlands. Super laid back. Very nice. He showed us so many boats. So many.
Obviously, you've seen some of it.
If you're in the Florida area and you want a broker, we highly recommend Foka. Now we're gonna pop this champagne. That's
a week overdue, but literally we just haven't had time.
No, we've been trying to get settled in. We're like, it just doesn't feel like a champagne moment yet when the boat looks like this. It feels starting to feel like but yeah, let's pop that sucker.
Hopefully not hit you in the face.
Yeah. Suck it.
Doesn't need it.
Oh, okay. Are we going to clue them in on the name?
No.
Alright, you don't get to know the name yet either.
But if you are a Patreon, look, check the Patreon page. I think we're going to do a little...
We're going to give you a little sneak peek. Let you know what's going on.
Yeah.
So we don't do a whole lot of Patreon early benefits, but we're trying, and we're getting better, and this is going to be one of them, so go check that out.
Yeah.
So, until we are ready to divulge everything, let's just say cheers to SV Blank, the new SailAway vessel. You're going to like her. She's really cool. We love her. It's a long way to get here. Cheers. And we'll see you next week, right? We can promise that. We're going to get another video out.
Yeah, like I said, I'm hoping to maybe get 2.
I asked her because she does the editing. So.
I think we can do it, but I'm not promising any days. But you'll definitely have one on Friday.
That's it, okay.
But maybe one on Tuesday too.
Yeah, hey, we'll see.
We'll see.
Thanks for your patience, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye. Subscribe, like, ring the bell.